Hey everyone, I'm Robert from PageFly. Welcome to the PageFly Holiday Tips series designed to boost your sales. If you have a lot of products left in stock and want to clear out your inventory, this video is for you with clearance sales strategy using PageFly. Let's jump into some effective tips to make your sale irresistible. First up, grab your customer's attention with a bold banner featuring an exclusive discount code and countdown timer to create a sense of urgency. You can add a hero banner with prominent discount or some small images emphasizing the discount for each category, linking to their respective collections. Keep in mind to prominently showcase the discount code to attract customers. Let me show you a quick demo. I will add a background image for the hero banner featuring the main products and expand the size by adjusting the padding for the section. Then, I will add a heading. You can add the number of discount in content box, customize the discount code in styling tab with color, font size, font family, and other settings. You can add others elements such as paragraph to highlight that it's an end-of-year clearance, and the deals won't last long or CTA button to encourage customer to take action. Don't forget to add countdown timer to increase customer engagement. Next, you can create a section with small banners featuring the others' discounts. I will add a layout with 3 columns. Update the background image and adjust the content for them. And you have it. Now, let's talk pricing strategy. We have a products list here. Instead of showing only the product price, you can display the compare at price, providing customers with a transparent view of the value proposition. You can enable that display here. Click on Product Price, head over to General tab, and select the first option for price display to make the product price more attractive than the compare at price. Let's customize it in Styling tab. And there you have it. This visually communicates the savings to your customers, making the deal even more enticing. Next tips is enhance your product images with a sale badge. PageFly allows you to easily incorporate eye-catching sale badges directly into your product media, emphasizing the special discounts. To add sale badge, click on Product Media and enable it here. There are 4 positions for you to choose: top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. You also can customize the badge in Styling tab as other elements. With these tips, you can make those discounted items stand out to attract customers. Let's boost your sales even further by offering free shipping on specific products. With PageFly, you can effortlessly set up free shipping section, making your deals even more appealing. On Page Editor, click on plus icon, select Template, then filter for free shipping. Here you can choose the pre-made section as you want. Take advantage of this perk to encourage customers to add more to their carts and enjoy the benefits of free shipping. Besides the tips above, you can create the bundles or cross-sell and upsell tips to clearance sales. Incorporating these strategies not only boosts revenue but also fosters a positive customer experience, making your store stand out in the competitive market. PageFly integrate with many apps like this, such as Caching Bundle Quantity Breaks, Wide Bundle, Offer Sale Bundles, Volume Boost, Volume Discounts. For more details, please check the manual in description to learn more how to integrate these apps in PageFly. There you have it, 5 powerful tips to elevate your clearance sale using PageFly on Shopify. Experiment with these features and watch your sales soar. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials.